time, Portal Master.
A blaze of glory.
Light core.
The beam is supreme.
Alright, the Skylanders are here. Boom! You're in for quite a show.
Light core.
Dragon feathers! A real Skylander! I can't believe you're actually here! Look out!
Ah, shit! That was my favorite part.
Use your attack button to clear the wreckage.
Hey, Skylander! You mind knocking all that broken stuff off my ship?
Oh no! It's the Greeble Air Barons! We're gonna have to outmaneuver them!
Jumpy.
It's opening fire!
Get those creepy zombies off my ship! Too close! Too close!
Die! Die! Put to the torch! Keep going! There's another way out through the core of the volcano!
Uh-oh, big scary ship off the port bow. Or starboard. That way! We have been boarded!
Almost there! Just a little further!
Get off my ship, you yellow rodents!
You got burned!
This is your captain speaking. We're, here.
Dragon feathers, are you okay? I've never seen a crash like that!
I know, impressive, right? It was actually a super secret, incredibly complex maneuver. Good thing I'm the best pilot in all Skylands. Captain Flynn, at your service. Boom!
Kablam!
Come again, Miss,
Tessa! I'm Tessa.
Well, of course you are. So, what's the big problemo, Tessa?
My village was attacked right before the volcano celebration. It's not far. Come on, I'll show you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now cool your jets there. I'm not going anywhere without my ship. A good captain never does.
Hey, Skylander, over here. I can't believe I'm talking to an actual Skylander. Wow. Okay, pull it together, Tessa. Listen, we need to get to Woodburrow fast. Those Greebles that attacked us are still there, causing all sorts of problems. We really need your help.
I told you, I'm not leaving my ship. Oh, look at it. I don't know if she'll ever be the same. It's up to you to make her sacrifice worth it.
Don't worry, I'll have it towed back to town. You go on ahead, Skylander. Just follow the path. It'll lead you right to Woodburrow.
Press the jump button to leap over obstacles. Skylanders of the fire element are stronger in this zone.
Golden as the sun.
Please help me out of this cage, Skylander! Wow! A real-life Tessa actually found you! Uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. Thanks for letting me out, Skylander. I don't like enclosed spaces. Oh no! It's one of those battle gates! It'll keep us locked in here until you defeat all of the enemies! Ah! Like those enemies! Go get them, Skylander!
Use your attack buttons to defeat the chompies.
Level up. Right on.
You got burned! Hooray!
Lighting the way.
Oh no! Whiskers! How did they catch you? Oh, those Greebles are gonna get it! The Greebles are caging up those poor creatures! What could they possibly want with them? Well, I'm not letting them get away with it. You keep heading to Woodburrow, Skylander, and I'll get these guys out of the cages. You keep heading to Woodburrow, Skylander, and I'll get these guys out of the cages. And be careful.
Greeble Screwball.
Remember, Portal Master, you can switch your Skylanders at any time.
Beware the flare.
Oh my! A true Skylander! We're saved!
If you could loosen that hook there, I think we could get out of these cages. Thanks ever so much, Skylander. We'll help break out the rest of these poor creatures.
A shining victory.
Look, Skylander! These element gates can be found throughout all of the Cloudbreak Islands. They've been here waiting almost 100 years for you to return. The legends say these magical gates only open for Skylanders that match the element symbols. This is a life gate. It will only open to a Skylander of the life element. You'll also find dual element gates in Cloudbreak. You have to match both element symbols to open it. It doesn't matter which Swap Force parts match, or even if the elements are on two different Skylanders.
Only Skylanders.
Fear the fish.
From the fire and water elements can unlock this. Aha! Skylanders of the water element are strong.
Be afraid of the bug.
You're in this zone. Skylanders of the fire element are stronger in this zone.
I bet he could use your help.
Skylanders of the life element are stronger in this zone.
Oh, thank goodness a Skylander is here. My 3 sheep wandered off and got themselves caught out in prickly pastures. I'm not brave enough to go through those thistles. It'd be mighty nice if you went out there and freed my sheep.
Oh no, it's a Skylander! Greebles, take aim! Stop those Skylanders from nabbing our tasty treats!
Skylander. Here's a little something to keep your, head warm on your way to Woodburrow.
Roast and toast.
This ought to keep my head warm. Very bright.
Skylanders of the earth element are stronger in this zone.
You're pretty strong, Skylander. You could just push the blocks out of the way. Sure is nice to have the Skylanders around.
to the torch.
Cool.
Let's ruffle some feathers. Not for a loop. I mean you.
Diggs the Molkim said that the eruption of Mount Cloudbreak is one of the most spectacular displays of magic in all of Skylands. He also theorized that staring at it for too long might actually cause severe blindness.
Hocus pocus.
This is a swap zone. When a Swap Force Skylander's legs match the symbol like this one, they become supercharged. This one is a rocket symbol, so only a Skylander with rocket power can take on this challenge. Go show him how to do it, Skylander.
Blast and Furious! Blast and Furious!
There you are, Skylander. Don't forget that Woodburrow still needs your help. Use these vines to get you there in a hurry. I'll head back to pick up Flint.
Airmail!
Skylanders of the Earth element are stronger in this zone.
For the win. Light Core. 8 legs and no pegs. Sailing ahead.
Skylanders of the air element are stronger in this zone.
Hello, Skylander. It's an honor to meet you. I don't have anyone with the skills to use this cannon. Why don't you hop in and show us all what Skylanders are made of? Nice shooting, Skylander! Here, take this. You've earned it.
Round we go. No map needed. Yelling out the back.
Only a swap Skylander with the climb ability can activate this swap zone.
Blast and Furious!
is up. Light core.
Only a giant can open this chest. Giant can open this chest.
Be afraid of the bug!
And no base! No map needed. The bell tolls, buddy.
Think you can get us down, Skylander?
This cage smells funny.
That was amazing! I'm gonna tell everyone! these Greebles!
Thanks for saving us, Skylander.
Nice job, Skylander. You really are strong.
A grave new world. No map needed. Taking off.
Your Swap Force Skylanders can be combined into hundreds of different combinations. Only a Swap Skylander with the dig ability can activate this swap zone.
The Greebles are blocking the gates to Woodburrow. You need to take them down.
Power blast. You're all washed up.
Tessa, you've returned!
And I've brought the Skylanders back with me.
This? This is a Skylander?
Him? Oh, no. No, he's
Even better.
he's the best pilot in all Skylands.
Name's Captain Flynn. And you are?
I am the village crier.
Yeah, well, I get emotional too sometimes. Chin up!
No, Flynn. Rufus keeps everything running here in Woodburrow. If you need anything, he's the one you should see.
Thank you, Tessa, but I really must tell you something. It's...
Hold that thought. I need to find the chiefess.
But, wait!
So you're the guy, huh? Perfect. Okay, here's what I'm gonna need, doofus.
It's Rufus.
Right. Now, important question. What do you know about enchiladas? Hey! Take it easy with her! She's very sensitive!
Rufus, where's the chiefess?
That's what I've been trying to tell you. She was taken by the Greebles.
We have to rescue her, Rufus. I'll go make preparations, but we're going to need the Skylanders.
Rudy, hey, about fixing my ship. You guys are footing the bill for this, right?
I've got my eye on you.
An honest-to-goodness Skylander here in Woodburrow. I never thought the day would come. We haven't seen a Skylander here in many years. Oh, in fact, that reminds me. I bet you would like an upgrade. The hip bros over there have been trying to open that magical power pod for years and haven't had much luck. But perhaps it will open for you. And don't forget, if you ever get lost or need directions, just come and see me. I am here to help.
Hey there, Skylander. I'm Tuck, and this big lug here is my brother Gorm.
I am the protector of the power pod. The legend says it will give amazing new powers to Skylanders.
Ha! Some protector. You broke it.
I only wanted to peek inside.
You don't know your own strength, you big jamook.
It's true. I have achieved physical perfection. But don't worry about the pod. I'm sure it will still work. Maybe. Oh, go on, Skylander! Try it! That was most impressive, Skylander. Now, let me show you how to use it. Here is where you see what upgrades are available. As you purchase abilities, new ones will unlock. Soul gems must be found in order to unlock those abilities. And that's all there is to it. Now you can upgrade yourself to perfection, like me, and become ready for any challenge.
Oh, and now that you know how to get new upgrades, try using an ability on a training dummy over there in the yard. Nice hit. Those training dummies will tell you how much damage your attacks are doing. I hooked that up myself. Pretty handy, huh? You might want to check on your pal Flynn over at the air docks. He's getting antsy about that ship of his.
Sail away!
Woohoo!
One second there, Skylander pal. Trying to see if there's anything worth salvaging here. Awesome! My far speaker's still in one piece. Now I can talk to you from far away while you're doing heroic Skylander stuff. It'll be like we're a team. Boom!
Oh, there you are, Skylander. We found out the Chiefess and some of the elder townsfolk are being held at Cascade Glade.
It is very important that you find the Chiefess. Without her, the ancient elementals won't return to Woodburrow, and the magic of Skylands will never be replenished.
We'd better hurry. There's no telling what kind of danger they're in. Okay, just let me know when you're ready.
Going up.
Woohoo!
Hello, Skylander friend. Are you ready to achieve physical perfection to rival my own? Here is where a Swap Force Skylander can choose to upgrade their top half or bottom half.
Time to cut and run!